If you ever find yourself in this situation where there was a riser, there was a head in this bed at one time, they took the head off, capped it, put drip in here, which is fine, switch it over. If you had a riser, this was a riser, it's broken. But instead of capping it just like this, which we've done a ton of these like this, we've changed how we're doing it now. Because what happens is, roots grow around that riser and it breaks it, and then we had a massive leak. So instead of doing that, we're gonna take what little riser is left on there. We're gonna take the whole riser out. We have found if you're just gonna cap it and eliminate a head, these little plugs work a lot better. They're not gonna break or anything like that. So plug it instead of capping it. This is a better solution to capping a head versus just taking the head off and putting a cap on the riser. Risers tend to break. This plug is going to actually plug it up, hence the name plug. It's working a lot better than doing it the other way.